Lightbulb Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome. On this channel, I create videos that give you your lightbulb moment. Basically, I try to educate you and give you some knickknacks on a number of things that you might have been struggling with. So in this video, I will show you how to search for an image with a transparent background. So this particular video is useful for digital content creators. So let's begin. So I have my browser open. So let's say I want to look for an Instagram logo that has a transparent background. So I will search for Instagram logo. Then when I get here, there's there's images, there's news, there's videos, there's books, there's more. So I'll select images. And then there's settings here. Under settings, I click on settings and then I click on advanced search. And then I go down here where it says colors in the image. I select transparent background. It's going to find images that have only transparent background and of any color. And then down here, usage rights. I would want to use an image that is free to use or share, even commercially. So I select that and then I click on advanced search. So it's going to load and these are the results. So all these images here have a transparent background and I can be able to append it on my website or on another image, or when I'm designing a poster, I can be able to append this image and it will pick the background color of whatever canvas that I'm laying it on top of. So when you look at these things behind here, you can tell that it has a transparent background. It doesn't have any color. So right click on it, save as, and you can be able to save it wherever you want to. So you can give it a name, Instagram logo. So I'm saving it on my desktop as Instagram logo, and it is a PNG file, which is very highly recommended if you're using it for more design work. So click on that save button and you're ready to go. So I hope that you've learned something. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It supports my channel when you subscribe, and also it encourages me to continue creating more content. Also leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see on this channel. So I hope you enjoy searching for those transparent images, and I hope that you've learned something. Goodbye.